So what
It's Mel and Steve again.
Hi. So what we've decided to do is we're going to use gravity and pendulums to solve this problem. And so what we're going to do is place the grater
Somewhere.
flat.
Yeah.
And we're going to have an arm that grips the cheese. And the arm is going to just swing back and forth like this over the grater. And it's going to grate some cheese, swing back and clear. When it gets to this position, it's going to be on a thread, and it's going to click a mechanism when it comes back, and that mechanism will rotate the body, and it'll move down on the threads a little bit, come back, grate, clear, rotate, down, grate, clear, and through enough back and forth pendulum motions, we should end up with a full thing of cheese.
We will see. But I mean, some challenges that I think of around that is the weight of the pendulum is going to be important. There's got to be enough weight on that because, like, if you're actually grating cheese, you're putting some elbow grease in
force in it.
Yeah, force in that. So that is a thing.
Yeah, and I'm worried about it's got to have enough mass that as it swings and grates, it's going to lose some of its energy every time, and we want it to have enough so that it can overcome that friction long enough to actually grate a significant amount of cheese.
Yeah, and maybe the grater needs to be new and really sharp.
And yeah, that would be great. The other thing I'm worried about is making sure that the grater is flat. So we may have to have some sort of self leveling mechanism
to keep it. Okay, all right. Those are our thoughts at this point. We shall see what happens.